Over the past few weeks, I've dedicated myself to researching the best side hustle that can make a significant impact on our finances. In today's market, finding a side hustle with the potential for substantial profits is challenging. In today's market, there are limited options to earn a significant amount of money, unlike the prosperous times of 2021. However, I firmly believe that when the market experiences a downfall, there is a high chance of a subsequent rebound. Therefore, now is the perfect time to seize the opportunity, invest time and money into a side hustle, and wait for the market to recover. By doing so, we can expect to earn substantial profits when the market regains its strength. In this video I'll reveal 3 incredible side hustles that you can start with just $1. These opportunities will ignite your passion and help you earn extra income. Are you ready to unlock your entrepreneurial spirit? Let's dive in. First, let's understand what a side hustle is. A side hustle refers to a flexible and independent source of income that you pursue alongside your regular job or commitments. It allows you to explore your passions, develop new skills, and generate extra money. Now that we have a clear understanding of side hustles, let's dive into the first opportunity. First up, we have Etsy. Have you ever dreamed of turning your creativity into a source of income? Etsy provides the perfect platform to showcase your unique handmade items and vintage treasures. Etsy has a global community of buyers waiting to discover your products. But wait, that's not the main side hustle. You can sell your unique digital art prints as PDF files on Etsy. Just create your design once listed on Etsy, and watch as buyers come to your shop and make purchases. With no product costs, delivery charges, or extra effort, you'll keep 100% of your profits. Setting up an Etsy shop is easy and affordable. Simply sign up for an account, choose a shop name, and start listing your items. While there is a listing fee of 20 cents per item, but I have an exclusive offer for you. By using the link below to open your Etsy shop, you will receive 40 free listings, saving you a total of $8. Comment me if you need a full tutorial of open up an Etsy shop and what to sell on Etsy. Let's move on. Second side hustle. Now let's explore an exciting aspect of Shopify called dropshipping. Have you heard of it? Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without ever handling inventory or shipping. It's a fantastic way to start your own business with minimal upfront costs and risks. Here's how dropshipping works. You create your online store using Shopify, and instead of stocking products, you partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. When a customer places an order on your store, the supplier fulfills it and ships the product directly to the customer's doorstep. This means you don't have to worry about packaging or shipping logistics. To get started, you'll pay a nominal opening fee of just $1 for 3 months to set up your online store on Shopify. Once your store is ready, you can source products from popular dropshipping platforms like Zendrop, AliExpress, or other trusted supplier. After adding products to your store, the key to success lies in advertising. Utilize the power of social media to showcase your products and reach potential customers. The more viewers you attract, the higher the chances of converting them into buyer. By investing time and effort into strategic advertising, you can drive traffic to your online store and generate sales. It's an opportunity to unleash your creativity, build a brand, and potentially earn a significant income. So, if you're ready to embark on the exciting world of dropshipping, start by creating your online store on Shopify for just $1. Link in description. Lastly, let's explore the world of content creation. While it may not require an upfront financial investment, content creation has the potential to generate significant income. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, building a social media following, or writing a blog, you can begin with just $1 or $0 as symbolic support for your venture. As a content creator, you can earn money through brand promotions, Google Ads, affiliate marketing, and more. With your creativity and passion, you can turn your content into a revenue-generating machine, opening doors to exciting opportunities and financial growth. Remember, the key to success in any side hustle is dedication, passion, and perseverance. Start small, invest that $1, and let your creativity soar. Whether you choose to open an Etsy shop, create a Shopify store, or become a content creator, take that first step towards turning your dreams into reality. Click the links below to begin your side hustle journey with just $1.